Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: a compatible iPhone and a lightning cable. Once done, turn the Equinox on and open the infotainment home screen. Make sure Bluetooth is active on your iPhone and visible. Now plug the lightning cable into your phone and the USB port labeled with a phone or CarPlay icon. You're initiating a wired CarPlay handshake. This direct connection is faster and more reliable than wireless pairing for this model. Once the cable is connected, watch the infotainment for prompts, select phone or projection, and then CarPlay. On your iPhone, tap Allow or Trust and permit CarPlay while the phone is locked. This keeps the connection seamless. Make sure Siri is enabled because CarPlay relies on it for voice commands. If screen time blocks Siri, go enable it. After you accept prompts, the CarPlay home screen should appear. If it doesn't, replug the cable and retry the steps. To finish, confirm CarPlay shows the familiar apps: Maps, Phone and Messages, and test navigation, audio, and voice control. Use Hey Siri or press the steering wheel voice button. CarPlay needs Siri to operate some features, so ensure it responds. If CarPlay fails to appear, first swap to an Apple-certified Lightning cable and reconnect. Next, restart the iPhone and the vehicle's infotainment. One key tip: if you still have trouble, reset network settings on the iPhone. That clears problematic pairings without affecting data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.